Hi everybody, I have just wrapped up at a private event for the kind of partner initial NDA kind of launch of the new Jabra headsets. I'm here with Calum. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi Tom, hello everybody. My name is Calum MacDougall. I'm responsible for the enterprise division at Jabra. That means really anything that carries the Jabra logo is something to do with me. And for me, this makes this a super exciting day because we're introducing the next generation of Evolve headsets.
Awesome. So as this video goes out, it will just be publicly announcing, but two new Evolve3 headsets. Can you talk us through the kind of two headsets?
Yes, exactly. They carry the name Evolve3 85, a top-end headset, and the one I'm holding right here in my hand now, and the Evolve3 75. So this is the top of the range and the next generation of Evolve headsets. Evolve has been the favorite office headset for more than a decade now, since we introduced Evolve 1. Evolve 2 came along around about the time of the pandemic when we were all hybrid working. And this device is now ready for the next wave of modern working, where we think more and more we won't be just speaking to each other, but we'll be speaking to our AI clients as well. And we've built these products very much with that in mind.
Yeah, it's quite a strong heritage to be announcing the new line. And you were talking about in your talk the combination of the consumer aesthetics, the boomless, the option of on-ear, over-ear, but also, as you said, enterprise side, security, AI, those kind of things.
Yeah, this is the very first Evolve device without a boom arm. You can probably see here, it doesn't carry the boom arm. And why have we done that? Well, we wanted to create a product that is easy for people to wear in multiple locations, a product that you'd be just as proud to wear on the train as you would in the office. And we felt removing the boom arm was the way to do it. But it's only now we've had the technology to be able to manage it. At Jabra, we're part of a bigger company called GN, but we also have a hearing aid company called GN Resound. To make good hearing aids, you need to be able to distinguish speech from noise. So you can block out the background noise and just take the speech through. And that's what we've done to create a boomless product. We've created a deep neural network that is learning, or has been learning, on picking up voices in speech to make sure you can have this product without a boom arm, but almost a virtual boom arm that can hear you in the same way as before.
Yeah, and you were talking about kind of, I've been using a lot of Whisperflow and Copilot in voice mode.
Yeah.
It seems like that's a common trend, is engaging with your AI over voice.
Yes.
You picked up on the kind of the security implications of that because you're wireless, so how does that stay secure?
Yeah, exactly. I think more and more we think people will be using generative AI, and to interact with generative AI, you'll be using your voice because really it's easier to talk. Even if it's your AI client, you can speak 3 or 4 times faster than you can type. It feels natural to have conversational AI. But then, as you rightly say, Tom, that opens up new security questions. Where's that data going? Is your connection from your headset to your device secure? So we believe cybersecurity is going to be important for the headsets of the future to make sure there's no opportunity to put malware on the chipsets or to break into the calls. So these devices are built very much with enterprise-grade security in mind.
Awesome. I was lucky to have early access, so I've been playing with them as well. I think one of the things is that there's a lot of clever technology in there, but actually the weight and the thinness and then packing down into a very, very slim case. I was so impressed that, you know, I rock around with the 65 flexes in the bottom of my bag. It feels like for the same kind of profile, you're getting a proper over-ear or on-ear experience.
I mean, that's exactly the idea, because of course, we'll be using these devices in many different locations. I think whether it's at work or on the go or at home, so it's going to have to come with you. So we want to make it as portable as possible. Let me just show you guys the trick here. This is the headset here, and we can just fold it up into a very flat position here, and the case just sits around there, so you can easily carry it around with you, fold it up easily, and it's super light. I think we believe it's around about the weight of a banana. And that makes it easy to wear and easy to carry around with you.
I love the banana for scale is a good metric there. Awesome. Well, Cam, thanks so much for catching up. I appreciate you having me at the event as well. And as this video goes out, this is public, so they'll be coming along soon. So I guess talk to your favorite person at Jabra or your favorite partners to find out more.
Absolutely. This is Evolve3, the next generation of the world's favorite enterprise headset. It's built for modern work. Speak to Jabra, speak to your partner, and get your hands on one as soon as you can.
Awesome. Thanks, Calum.
Thanks, Tom.